I knew from the moment I met you that you're a quality guy. And I collect quality guys. You know why? Because some guys like to shiv me. And I'm going to talk about the guy who shivved me at the end of the show. Stick around.
Yeah.
I'm going to unload today.
Okay. Grace and love is the way, man. So
I know. I'm a flawed human.
Yeah.
And I will work on grace. I will have grace for the people who stabbed me, right? Like Jesus forgave people. He forgave them.
It's a big thing with him. He was all about it. Yeah.
And I'm doing my best.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm doing my best. Today's not going to be my best moment.
All right.
Okay.
I'm going to try to channel a little grace. But there's no better person you could go work for. And there's no better mission than housing people. Jason is an A-plus character individual. This is the person. If you're effective at what you do in your career, go work for Jason. Clip this. Put it on your hiring page, Jason. I give you permission to use this endorsement on your social media and on your website. Go work for Jason and do something good in the world. Stop working for Zuckerberg and no offense, and trying to make people click on more ads and invade their privacy. Go work and build housing for the military, for space, excuse my French, for the homeless and for rich people. Go do it, people.
Where else do you get giant robots, homeless housing, and a moon base in one place?
Here's a startup truth bomb. A lot of founders have no idea what's actually going on with their money. If that's true of your company, hey, no judgments. I know you're busy hiring, building your product, go-to market, all that important stuff. But your company needs a reliable financial partner, not a lifestyle brand, okay? Grasshopper is a real federally chartered digital bank that's not trying to win you over with a rewards program. Instead, they're building deep integrations, treasury products that are going to actually help you expand your runway, and innovative tools like an MC-based AI connector. Oh man, that's awesome. We can connect it to all of our agents and do reporting. And that will put you in command of your money. As a Twist listener, you're going to get $500 cash bonus just for opening an account. Think of that. You open an account, boom, there's $500 in it. So leap on over to grasshopper.bank/twist and use the promo code TWIST. As a Twist listener, you're going to get a $500 cash bonus just for opening an account. Grasshopper.bank/twist.